Evergreen China Company Limited specialize in production of rubber and high polymer parts for mining machinery. The company has 20 years experience in mining machinery industry. The company is one of leading producer of mining machinery parts. It covers area of 23,000 square meters, registered capital RMB 120 million. The company has passed CE certification and 3 system certification: ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2015, OHSAS 18001:2007. The company has very strong R&D team, more than 20 senior engineers for machinery design and rubber formula, and more than 120 experienced workers can guarantee high quality products and good service. The company has advanced equipment, including large flatbed vulcanizing machine, CNC machine center, automatic welding equipment, etc. Leading products as follows: rubber cover plate and impeller for slurry pump Max MCR 550, rubber diaphragm of filter press, stator and rotor for flotation machine Max 320 M3, rubber and PU sieve plate, rubber liner plate for grinding mill, rubber and PU cylinder sieve, rubber lined steel pipe, plastic lined steel pipe, the company has advanced inspection equipment and quality control system. We have strict inspection on each batch of material and ready goods. User satisfaction is our target. More and more mining companies choose our products at home and abroad. Our long-term partner as follows: FLS Sidith ATG, China National Gold Group Corporation, Aluminum Corporation of China Limited, etc. Our products have very good performance for their mining machinery during the years.